How to delete purchase history in Shopee. So if you are new to this channel, consider clicking the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads. So to delete your purchase history, what you would do is go to your browser and we will be searching for something. So click on that search bar and type in your country. So first you have to type in your country. So it would be specific. So I am living in the Philippines. So we will be going to type in Philippines there. Type in Shopee customer service. So it is already shown there. Just click on it and then click on the first link. Click on the first link and it would redirect you here to Shopee's customer service. Scroll down until you reach the bottom and click on the email part. And so in here, you will be redirected to the Shopee customer service team. And here, just click on what suits you. So I am a buyer, for example. So type in buyer or click on the buyer option. And you can also upload a file of your concern. And then in the description part, just type in to please delete my Shopee purchase history. So that's it for this video. Just click on submit. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.